I'm at this daycare, and this is the third daycare that has called me about the system that they have to have put in on these vehicles that they carry the kids in. It's a system to where they have to check the vans or the vehicle, whatever that they have, that they transport the kids, to check the van or the vehicle before they get out. So this system I particularly like because it literally takes me, I say, if with one arm, probably take me 20 minutes. So it's very, very simple, and I'm gonna leave the website and the info to this company so that other daycares can order the system and then just call us to come out and do it, because in the state of Texas it's now mandatory to have this on the vehicles. So it's a pretty simple deal. That's the box for it, and it has a key to it just in case it needs to be overwritten for whatever reason as far as malfunctioning. So let's say you started up, you done took the kids where they need to be, and you're getting out back to the daycare center, and it's time to pretty much lock up and go on. So when you turn the key off, you're gonna hear that loud ass noise. So the button to turn it off, they're all in the back. Oh crap. They're in the back. You simply press that button and it stops. You don't have to run no wires to the receiver for the button. You just put it in the back and it reads it inside the vehicle, because it's RF, which is radio frequency, which is awesome, because I ain't got to do jack crap but wire a few wires on the inside and put this box back in. That's it. So if you got a daycare and you got these vehicles, you're gonna have to get these systems put in because it is state law. So with that being said, I'll leave the link where you can buy this thing, and then you call us and put it in. With that being said, Auto and Precious UNLTD, we out.